We are down to my last four 2026 Western Star and Freightliner tri-axle dump trucks. These babies are nice. Check out this. This is a 2026 Freightliner 114 SD tri-axle dump with a DD13 470 horsepower, Allison 4500 RDS, and a Maverick OX Body. 20,000 up front, a 13.5 thousand pound steerable pusher axle, and 46,000 pound rears. And you got this beautiful Sovereign Blue 2026 Western Star 49X. Detroit DD13 power, 470 horse. Pretty much the same specs. This one's got a nice, beautiful silver Stampede Demolition style ox body with the high air lift gate. Got the Allison 4500 RDS, 20,000 up front, 13.5 thousand pound steerable pusher axle, 46,000 pound rears. Got another 114 SD with the Maverick OX Body. Oh, by the way, these Freightliners right here, 2026s, these are going for $203 with FET included. Food for thought. Then I got this one, all Viper Red 2026 Western Star 49X. This one's got Cummins power, 475 horsepower, 20,000 up front, 13,500 pound steerable pusher axle, 46,000 pound rears. And yes, it's got the Allison 4500 RDS. It's got a beautiful red demolition style Stampede ox body with the high air lift gate. If you're looking for dump trucks, new or used, I'm your guy. Hit me up. Let's go.